Apple. It's been going crazy recently, a name that has become synonymous with innovation and excellence in the tech world. This tech giant has been on a tear, its stock price soaring to new heights, breaking records and setting new benchmarks in the industry. What's driving the surge? A potent cocktail of relentless innovation, unwavering brand loyalty, and a steady influx of cold hard cash. Apple isn't just selling gadgets, it's selling an experience, a lifestyle that millions around the world aspire to be a part of. From sleek iPhones to powerful Macs, its products have become synonymous with quality, design, and cutting-edge technology. This has translated into a devoted customer base, willing to pay a premium for the Apple experience, knowing they are getting the best. But Apple's success isn't just skin deep. It's backed by a fortress balance sheet, overflowing with cash, providing a solid foundation for future growth. This financial strength gives Apple the firepower to invest in groundbreaking new technologies, acquire promising startups, and weather any economic storms that come its way. In the ever-shifting landscape of the tech world, Apple stands as a beacon of stability and growth, a company that continues to evolve and lead. Its recent stock surge is not a fluke. It's a testament to the company's enduring appeal, its innovative spirit, and its ability to consistently deliver for investors year after year. Numbers don't lie. They tell a story of success and growth. Apple's recent earnings reports have been nothing short of spectacular, shattering analysts' expectations and sending shockwaves through Wall Street. The numbers are not just impressive, they are record-breaking. The company is raking in cash at an unprecedented rate, fueled by strong demand for its products and services. This surge in revenue is a testament to Apple's strategic vision and execution. The iPhone, Apple's flagship product, continues to be a cash cow. Its consistent performance in the market is a cornerstone of Apple's financial success. Despite increasing competition, the iPhone's allure remains strong, driven by its user-friendly interface, robust app ecosystem, and sleek design. These features keep customers coming back year after year, but it's not just about the iPhone. Apple's diverse product lineup is also contributing significantly to its revenue. Mac computers, once considered a niche product, are experiencing a resurgence in popularity. This resurgence is not just a trend, it's a significant shift in consumer preference. Driven by the work-from-home trend and the increasing demand for powerful yet portable devices, Mac sales have surged, adding fuel to Apple's revenue engine. This trend shows no signs of slowing down. Investors are salivating over Apple's financial performance. The company is a money-making machine, churning out profits at a rate that would make even the most seasoned investor blush. Its ability to generate revenue is unmatched. This financial strength is the bedrock of Apple's stock surge. It provides a solid foundation for future growth and investor confidence. Recently, Apple's stock has seen an additional surge due to groundbreaking announcements in artificial intelligence. The company's foray into AI is not just a buzzword, it's a strategic move that promises to revolutionize its product lineup. From AI-powered features in iPhones to advanced machine learning capabilities in Macs, Apple's commitment to AI is evident. These innovations are set to enhance user experience and drive future growth. The market has responded positively to these announcements, with investors and tech enthusiasts alike buzzing about the potential impact of AI on Apple's future. This excitement has translated into a noticeable uptick in Apple's stock, further solidifying its position as a must-buy for investors. Apple understands desire. It's not just about functionality, it's about aspiration. Apple products symbolize a lifestyle, a statement of sophistication and modernity. Their products are objects of envy, coveted by millions worldwide. Owning an Apple product is often seen as a status symbol. From the sleek lines of the iPhone to the intuitive interface of the Mac, Apple has mastered the art of product design. Each device is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring both form and function are in perfect harmony. Take the Apple Watch, for example. This device has revolutionized the way we think about wearable technology. Once dismissed as a gimmick, it has become a must-have accessory for fitness enthusiasts and tech-savvy consumers alike. Its versatility and range of features have made it indispensable. Its seamless integration with the iPhone and its ever-expanding health and fitness features have made it a runaway success. The Apple Watch is not just a gadget, it's a personal health assistant. And let's not forget about AirPods. These tiny devices have redefined the way we experience audio. These wireless earbuds have become ubiquitous. Their sleek white design, a common sight on streets and subways around the world. They offer unparalleled convenience and sound quality. Apple's ability to create products that seamlessly blend into people's lives is a testament to its design prowess. Their products are not just tools, they are integral parts of daily routines. But Apple's product strategy goes beyond just creating beautiful objects. It's about innovation and pushing the boundaries of technology. With Apple back as an AI play, this really brings in new investors as well. It's about building an ecosystem, a walled garden of interconnected devices and services that keeps users firmly within its grasp. This ecosystem ensures a seamless experience across all Apple products, making it hard for users to switch to other brands. Hardware is just the beginning. Apple's real genius lies in its services business, a rapidly growing segment that is quietly becoming the company's secret weapon. From Apple Music to iCloud storage, these subscription-based services are generating a steady stream of recurring revenue. Think about it. Every time someone subscribes to Apple Music, signs up for iCloud storage, or makes a purchase on the App Store, Apple gets a cut, and Apple is constantly expanding its services offerings. Apple Pay, its mobile payment platform, is gaining traction, while Apple TV Plus is slowly but surely building a library of compelling original content. And now we have AI as well. This really exposes Apple as an AI play as well. This shift towards services is a shrewd move by Apple. It not only reduces the company's reliance on hardware sales, but also creates a stickier ecosystem, making it harder for customers to jump ship to competitors. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.